So we have constructed the relationships among all these important data sets by introducing an intermediate table called date table. So everybody is connected through this date table. And this date table only contains this key variable date, all right, without providing other information, all right. So this date table is also called, well, you can understand it as an intermediate table because it provides the kind of working like a middleman to connect all the other tables through this date field. Okay, you can also call it a dimension table. Okay, that's another name for this type of tables. Okay, because it contains a very important identifier. That's the important dimension of the data. Okay, it contains an important identifier or a key variable. Here, this key variable is the date. The other tables like insider trading, balance sheet, cash flow, income statement, historical data, they contain not only the date field, okay, but also other important information that you are interested, like the daily trading information, like price and volume, the financial data in the financial reports, okay, as well as insider trading information, okay, happen on different days, okay. So those are information beyond that key variable date, okay. So this data sets are called fact data, okay, and this data set, the date table, is called the dimension table. Okay. So now we understand what is a fact table and what is a dimension table. So this date table is a dimension table because it only contains the key variable or the identifier, the date field, all right? The fact tables, however, not just containing the date field, but also other important informations. So you can see the date table or the dimension table is in the center of all the relationships, okay? All the fact tables are connected to this dimension table. Notice that we do not set up relationship between those fact tables directly, all right? We only set up a relationship between a fact table and this dimension table. So the fact tables are connected, but they are not connected directly. They are connected through this intermediate table, the dimension table, okay? So the dimension table works like a middleman to connect to other fact tables, such that all the fact tables are also connected. Okay, not directly, but through this middleman, this dimension table. This makes sure your data model is very clean. Your relationships look like very kind of clean and easy to understand. You don't have that kind of spider web type of network relationships. Okay. That will help you understand the data model better, and once you start handling this data model using different data sets or tables, it will help you to avoid many errors.